Good morning to everybody. Say good morning. You want to show them what Santa Claus brought you? Those are lots of presents. And all those. You don't see them? Can you see them now?
Stay still.
Go back there, Yo-Yo, so Sophie can
Go
see.
back there so Sophie can see.
All of these are yours for Sophie, and all of these are for Yo-Yo.
I have to play with them.
No, you open yours. No, it's the Tale of Egypt. It's a video, a new video, a new tape for the VCR. Like Frosty. Oh, look, it's Madeline and her dog. It's a tape for the VCR.
For my baby.
Here, you need to get a grip on the end. That's the
I
door.
got a baby one.
Okay, open that one.
I got this baby one.
How about the big one?
Oh, what's that?
I got a baby.
Okay, how about the baby one?
I can open it. Got a watch.
A watch? What is that, Soph?
What is that?
Oh,
What is it?
your choo-choo train.
Did Santa bring Sophie a choo-choo train? Is it a Winnie the Pooh choo-choo train?
There's Tigger and Eeyore and the Honey Pot and Pooh. Oh.
Not to the...
No? Does it turn on?
No, it's not.
I think it does.
It really? Or is that Sophie? Sophie, want to push it vacuum cleaner?
Yeah. And that's it.
Oh, wow.
What's something that?
That's Yo-Yo's bulldozer.
What is it?
A bulldozer.
Holy moly! Look how big it is.
Holy
A front loader with a backhoe. There's Digger Dan. There's a crib for the baby. Can you see? A high chair and a crib for the baby. There's a baby. And some food and a plate and spoons.
Almost.
Oh, let's see what this is.
What did Santa bring Daddy?
What is it?
Oh, Santa brought Daddy some tennis shoes. Hey, Santa. Daddy needed tennis shoes. Did Daddy need tennis shoes?
Yes.
Yes, he did. Thank you, Santa. Can you open this one? Oh.
Where are you putting it?
Can you rip it right here, Sophie? Rip it right there. Oh my God.
What is it?
Oh my God.
Get
Well-
to this on for me. Yeah.
Holy moly!
Holy moly. What's that?
That's a big one.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Okay, how about that one?
What'd you get, Soph?
Oh no!
Hi.
And a shirt. Thank you, Santa.
What is that, Sophie? Open the box.
Look at that.
Oh wow, kangaroo.
Who is it?
This one. Yeah.
Look, Soph.
Look, it's Piglet.
Piglet. And kangaroo and Piglet.
How about this one?
What's that?
Piglet.
It's Piglet. Let me just take this out. Did Sophie get Mom a present? Oh, wow. Gloves. For me? Thank you.
Mama, I should open it.
Okay, open it for Daddy.
Okay.
Here you go, Yo-Yo. Help Mama open it.
Here you go, Dad. That's for you, Dad.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I'll give you a stay.
Okay.
Oh, pretty.
That's for you, Dad. I can open
Oh, yay, Sophie.
Look. Socks for Daddy.
Thank you, Santa.
All right, open that one. Here you go. Oh, there it is. Another one from Mama. Oh, look, the ball. A soccer ball and a football and a baseball. Good ball. Oh, thanks, Dad. Blue jeans. Look at that. Pretty. Whoa. Oh, wow. A makeup kit.
Oh, so you can play doctor.
Are you the doctor? Is there a stethoscope in there?
We're looking.
Band-Aid box. And here's your doctor bag to keep all your things in. Oh, here's the Band-Aid. And here's your checkup chart. Make sure you got your eye, your heart, and your belly, and your nose all in order. Oh, and here's the thermometer.